arms and legs. And those claws are really good for doing something like digging in dirt, but they're not as good for swimming. Turtles that swim, they have kind of webbed hands, kind of like paddles. Yep. And also, one of my favorite facts about turtles, the shape of their shell can actually tell you whether or not they are on land or mostly aquatic turtles as well. This is another box turtle shell, and this is from an aquatic turtle. It might be kind of tough to tell, but the box turtle shell and other land turtle shells, their shell actually has a higher arch down the top. Yeah. You could touch both of those for sure.
Oh yeah, where it goes from here and then like immediately up it.
Right. Then this one's a little different, and the reason for that, if Athena will give me my arm back, thank you, is because on land, right, if a turtle falls over, if its shell is really curved, if it wiggles its hands, its arms and its legs, it can actually get itself right itself pretty easily. Yeah. Sea turtles don't have to worry about that, and their shells are much flatter, right? And it's a lot harder for a sea turtle, if for whatever reason it was on land and it flipped over, it's really hard for it to right itself. Land turtle, not so much. They have a lot more bounce to them, for sure.
Hi, Athena.
Does anyone want to touch Athena here? Yeah? So you can use 2 fingers and just go right down the side.
2 fingers. There you go.
Yeah. So Athena is a ball python. She is really super sweet and cuddly.
She would probably hold her.
Yeah. And I do have some hand sanitizer here for anybody who would like afterwards. Snakes and other reptiles can sometimes, they can be a little germy. They can have things like E. coli, salmonella in their gut.
Right. Reptiles do.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I never in my life. You know, they had that exhibition up in Saratoga Springs. They had all those snakes there.
Did they?
In those little containers.
Yeah. Okay.
It's so weird to see them so up close and personal in those little containers.
Right.
But as I said, like it's so weird to see them so up close and personal like that.
Yeah.
Without somebody holding it.
Yeah, not allowed to hold, right?
No, just to feel. Yeah.
Hi. Is it a boy, girl?
Girl. Yep. This is Athena. She's about 4 years old, but this is as big as she's gonna get. Pretty much.